Fidget trading with my sister. Do you have any offers for this s'more squishmallow and 2 simple dimples?
I'll give you this entire mochi bin.
Can you add?
No.
Okay then.
What will you give me for this giant puppet and this puzzle ball?
I will give you this giant rainbow poppet and 2 wacky tracks. So do you accept?
Of course.
Yes.
What will you give me for these dimple fidget spinners and these dimple dimples?
I'll give you this hard shell poppet, this tangle, and 2 mesh balls.
Add.
What? Fine, I'll add this black and white poppet.
Deal!
I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1. Who won?
OMG. Guys, look at the package. I can't wait any longer, so let's unbox this. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so big. Wow, this is literally a puzzle poppet. Guys, I 10 out of 10 recommend you guys go check them out right now. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Magnet beads. Okay, I'll be back once I get the wrapping off. Finally got the wrapping out, but just ignore that it's out of shape. Anyway, let's try it out. Oh my gosh. Next is a snapper that I never had before. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. These were the last products, and oh my gosh. Look at the design they add.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Okay, this might be a really bad idea, but let's do it. I'm going to be jumping on my trampoline with all of my poppets. Yes, over 20 of them. I got them and let's go. Okay, I'm outside. There's the trampoline. Okay, here we are. Also guys, let me know if you want me to do this with stress balls. Okay, I'm gonna dump them, but make sure to follow and like this video. Oh my gosh. Well, let's jump. Best trampoline ever! Yeah, this is definitely how I'm gonna jump from now on. Okay, I'm gonna do an aerial, so let's see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, this is definitely the craziest video I've ever done. Bye guys, and remember, make sure to follow and like this video, and you can copy link if you want to. Now I have to wash these all. Bye!
Let's do a rainbow fidget pack. This unicorn poppet, this heart poppet, the classic dimple, slinky, puzzle ball, and a puzzle tower. Comment for more fake fidget orders.
How has the size of the poppet changed? 3 6 6 10 10 16 16 20 20.
I dare you to comment the entire ABCs without getting interrupted by another person. I don't mean the whole ABCs in one comment. I mean like individual comments, like A, B, C, D.
I absolutely love specs. I have a few different kinds, but I don't have these kinds, so I'm so excited to open these. I got these from Tallahassee Toy Nation. Go check them out. These are the light green and dark green ones. Inside are 512 beads. Let's open this. Here it is. I love these. I love it when the specs are small because they feel so nice on my hands and they make an amazing sound. You can always tell that specs are super high quality. You can make a bunch of different shapes with them, but I don't think I can because I am not that, mathematical like that. But, I mean, you guys can try. Bye, guys!
Jumbo Poppet is not biggest now.
I'm super excited today because every Target I go to, I look all over for this specific poppet. My sister got it and I thought it was so cool, so I've been wanting this one. And I finally found it at Target today. I've also been dying to open this because I had to go to Boba because my sister wanted some, so I also got some. This is my boba. I finally tried the tapioca and I don't know if I like it. Anyway, let's open the poppet. Opened it. Now let's feel it. So this is the bad side. That's still really good. Okay, this is the good side. I love this. 10 out of 10 recommended. Bye!
Anyways, the winner of the Poppet game will be receiving a candy. They will get to choose whatever flavor they want. Anyway, let's start. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes, I won. Okay, I'm going to be choosing the red one. Okay, I'm going to be having my baby brother open it.
Wow.
Yum.
I started with one fidget, now I am addicted.
Hey guys! This is part 2 of my fidget haul from Kazoodles. In my last part, I opened these 3 fidgets, so go check it out. Next, we're opening my Mad Hatter clay thing. This is it, and I really like it. It's kind of like kinetic sand, but a lot better. I'll definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Next, we have my pea popper. It's super, super cute. They have little faces. This was $5, and I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Next, we have this sticky slug. I love this so much, but it's actually really gross. Ew. I really don't know how to feel about this. I actually think I like it. It's super fun to play with. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Come back for part 3.
Guys, my poppet came. This is literally my dream poppet. Let's go inside. So I ordered this poppet a few days ago, and it is my dream poppet. Not exactly the color or the shape, but mainly the texture. It's supposed to be really good popping. Let's open it. Ah! Oh my gosh. The colors are so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna pop it. This is so awesome. So this is the loud side, and this is the quiet side, which is still really good. There's not much of a difference between the loud and the quiet side, but the texture is a little bit different. Let me know what you guys think. Would you buy this? Bye!
I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, this is a really cool idea, so let's do it.
Pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1. I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.
fidget if you scroll. You'll fidget if you like. You'll fidget if you comment. You'll fidget if you share to 5 friends. You'll fidget if you follow. And you'll fidget if